Welcome back, guys. So let's get started with our project. I have Android Studio here open, and I have a basic project, a blank project opened. Now I'm going to add Firebase to my project here. So go over to your browser and go to console.firebase.com and then add new project. And the project's name I'm going to put here it will be project's name. You can type any name you want, but I'll just put in why is it not allow me to type enter a project name. What? Oh, why didn't it work first time? Okay, so I'll put WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp is fine. So click continue, and okay, I'll leave this setting for now. Oops, I have to go and turn it off. I don't want that. So turn off and create project. So let's just wait while it is creating a project for us. Your project is ready, so I'm going to click continue, and it's going to open up my project for me. So I want to add an Android application here, so I'll click Android, and here I need my package name, so I will come over to my project and copy my package name here. You know what, I'll go to the build Gradle and copy it, Ctrl C, head over to the Firebase and put it there. This is required if you're using, let's say, Google sign in or phone number sign in, but we're not using any of that, so click register app. And there's some configuration files we need. First is the Google Save It or JSON file, so I'm going to download it now. Google Save It or JSON file, and it's downloading. Oh, it's done downloading. Opening folder. Then I'm going to copy it from here. I'll cut it. So say cut. Then I'll come to my projects folder. This is projects. I'll tap on the tap on this area to view the projects view, then expand it, my app, and I'm going to paste this inside my app. So I'll click on paste. We'll say JSON paste. So now that is done, go back again to Firebase and click next. I will add this later. Click next, and then continue to console. So my console will open up soon. Okay, here it is. We'll make use of Cloud Firestore, the authentication. So first of all, I'll go to the authentication tab and set up some few things there. Authentication. Come on, authentication. Why are you taking so much time? So I will get started here, and so I want to use the email and password signing, so I'll enable this, and I don't want to use the email link here, so I'll just click save. Then the next thing again I want to set up is my cloud file store. So create database, and I'll start in production mode. The production mode disables all read and writes unless the user is authenticated, while the test mode allows read and write even if the user is not authenticated. So I don't want that. I want the production mode. So click next, and this will ask me to select something, which is my storage location. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. Okay, I'll just click enable. So while that is done, and this is the last thing I want to do here. So I'll go over to Android Studio. I have to add some dependencies here, where some dependencies I'll need. I'll go over to the finish project, and first of all copy the calling Android extension. The calling Android extension allows you to use calling synthetics. So instead of calling find view by ID, you can just reference an ID of a view from the class. The next thing again I want to copy here is the Java version is already set. View bindings true. Do I need this? Okay, let's copy the important ones first. So copy this, Control C, and then I'll paste this file in the video description so you get it. Okay. And now for the Android stuff, we don't need this lifecycle. Nope. I need the nope, I don't need app compass. I need material, constraint layers. No, constraint layer is already there. This is constraint layer, so I only need the material components, which is already here too. So I think I'm all set. Okay, let me check this one more time. So calling extension, which is here, all of them. That should be done. Okay, yeah, the apply plugin. This will initiate the Google service I downloaded before. This will make sure that Google service is applied to my project. So I'll paste it here. And again, there's something I want to do I'll go to the Android view again, and then open up the build.gradle projects level file. I need to add the class path, the Google service class path. So I'll go over to my old projects and open up this and copy it here. So Ctrl C and paste it in here. Ctrl V. So with that, I think I'm all set to go. I'm going to click on sync now. Yeah, so the sync is done and I'm good to go. The next thing is to start adding some codes. So there's something I want to mention too. I won't be focusing more on the XML part. So it will just be plain calling. So any XML thing we need to do, I'll copy the code and paste, and then I can also add it in the description so you copy also and paste. But I'll do my best to explain some of the things in the XML part of it. Okay, and again, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and turn on the notification bell. So after that is done, let's head over to the Firebase console and do one more thing. Navigate to Cloud Firestore and click on the Rules tab. In the Rules tab, there is a few settings you want to put here. So inside the Allow Read Write If False, I want to change that to something more readable. So allow read write if request or authentication is not equal to null. So this will only allow us to read and write from database if the user is not equal to null. So I'm going to click on publish. Okay, so that is all set. In the main activity here, just making sure everything is alright here. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll continue this in the next video.